video, what we're going to be covering is the race and chase pattern. Now, what we would have learned is in the overhand, he lead with the thumb. In the race and chase, what I'm doing here is I'm going to be leading with my right hand. You'll see my left hand is just kind of coming along to the right. I'm letting my right hand do all that work. Right hand to left, right hand to left, or right side. So race and chase, what you can do is you can quite literally stack your hands on top of each other, kind of like the blade or the hilt of a blade. And you're going to lead with that top thumb in the overhand, or alternatively, I could switch my hands and I could lead with my bottom pinky in the underhand direction. So in this case, my right hand is racing and my left hand is just chasing, otherwise known as my left hand is just coming along to the ride for the most part. Now, if I were to switch that, now my left hand is doing the race and my right hand is basically just coming along to the ride. So what you might be able to see is that with my right hand barely doing anything, my left hand can make this pattern happen. And once again, we can practice moving between the outside edge of our feet as we're doing this pattern. And again, for the overhand, if I wanted to lead with my left hand, I'd lead with the top thumb. If I wanted to go overhand, or the pinky of the underhand, if I wanted to go underhand. So give the race and chase a try. And one of my favorites of this one, it's not super race and chasey, but you can start to pretend like you have a sword. We can bring those elbows up a bit more if you'd like to, or alternatively, you can keep your hands nice and low as a crook of my peak, and you can get a little bit more tension in your core as you're doing that. And I'll get a little bit more restrictive, leading with this left hand. But give the race and chase a try. It's just going to help us to teach you our hands how to follow along and flow with each other, because eventually we'll be able to race and chase consecutively, which starts to get a little bit of an underhand, but we'll learn more about that in the next video.